Alright guys, we got a small sale going on right now. $25 off half ounce fine silver imitation Morgan coin rings. So I make this fine silver round into a ring like this. And they're usually $150. Right now they're $125. If you'd like to get you one, you can tap the link on my profile or the gold chain at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Let's see if we can get a little closer here for you. Doing good. So usually I'm on here making coin rings, but I thought I'd do kind of something a little new. I'm offering $25 off this specific coin ring because I just have quite a few of them. So I'm trying to liquidate the stock I have. So if anybody would like to get a coin ring like this made, it says "In God We Trust" right on the front, along with 1 ounce fine silver, some eagle's wings, this cool little wreath. You can also get the head side facing out if that's what you'd like. Let me know if anybody has any questions, and go check out the website. Link's in my profile. Store link's right there if anybody wants to go check it out. Well, guys, if you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings. Today we've got a sale going on our half-ounce Morgan coin rings. They're $25 off right at the top of my website, which you can find on my profile. I also work on quarters, half dollars, dollars, American Eagles, different size fine silver rounds. So if that sounds kind of interesting, you want to get yourself some coin-inspired jewelry, you can tap the gold chain down here by the chat or the link in my profile. And if you have any questions, put them in the chat. How's it going, everybody? I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. If you've never seen me before, I make coins into rings. Today we've got this particular coin ring on sale. It's $25 off. It's a half-ounce fine silver imitation Morgan round. You can see the heads here and the tails there. You can get either side facing out on your ring. If you'd like to get you one, the link's on my profile, or you can tap the gold chain down here at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I make a bunch of different types of coins into rings, so you don't have to get this particular one. It's just on sale today. Go check it out. Link's in my profile. Shuffle this up a little bit here. Yeah. Links in my profile. Go check it out. Tap the gold chain.